Hey everybody, as you can see, I'm not in the shop today with my lovely wife, Annalise. We're about to head to see the Van Gogh exhibit at Detroit Institute of Arts. Anyway, I thought I would give you guys a wood carving tip from the vehicle. And Annalise, will you hold the phone for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so through doing these wood carving challenge videos, I've learned a little bit from the challenge of not using sandpaper. You can actually use your tool as a scraper, especially a knife, especially a straight edge, to take the hard edges off of your carving without ever touching the carving with sandpaper. So try that out. Try to minimize the use of sandpaper in your carvings. It will improve your knife cuts, the efficiency of knife cuts, and will also give you a cleaner surface. If you scrape, you'll actually end up with a nicer surface than a sanded surface. I've been shocked as to how these 1 hour challenge carvings with only one tool have actually turned out nicer in some ways in terms of the surface. That's a big advantage, and we all know that surface is extremely important and it's an important element of design, so try that out. That's it. Thanks guys. Say bye.
Bye.